China may have taken the first real swing at ASML's most protected monopoly, and it goes straight to the heart of the AI chip race. For years, Dutch giant ASML has been the only company on earth that can sell EUV lithography machines, the room-sized tools that print the tiniest features on today's most advanced AI chips. Each machine costs well over $150 million, and the newest versions push towards the $250 to $350 million price tag. Those systems are banned from export to China, which is why Chinese fabs have been stuck using these older DUV tools. Now, DUV stands for Deep Ultraviolet Machines. They use a longer wavelength light, they can't draw features as small, and they usually need extra tricks like multiple exposures to get anywhere near cutting-edge performance. Well, a new investigation says China has now built a prototype EUV machine on its own. In a classified project in Shenzhen, teams led by former ASML engineers allegedly reverse engineer parts of ASML systems and assembled a gigantic tool that already generates EUV light, which is the hardest part of the whole process. It still can't mass produce working chips at scale, but insiders say Beijing is aiming for pilot production by around 2028. And that speed is what's shocking people. ASML took almost 2 decades, billions of dollars, and a global network of specialist suppliers to get EUV into high-volume manufacturing. China has gone from zero to a functioning prototype in roughly 6 years under full export controls, reportedly with Huawei helping coordinate work across labs and local equipment makers. Even if the first versions are inefficient and unreliable, simply getting EUV light in a working tool is a major strategic milestone. Zoom out, and this prototype sits on top of a much bigger push. China has been squeezing surprising performance out of those older DUV machines, using clever workarounds and heavy state subsidies to keep shipping AI-capable chips despite Western controls. At the same time, it has raced ahead of the US in adding new power plants and grid capacity, exactly what you need to run both advanced fabs and energy-hungry AI data centers. If Beijing eventually combines domestic power, domestic fabs, and a fully homegrown EUV machine, it gets much closer to making high-end AI chips entirely inside China, beyond the reach of US and Dutch export bans. But the real catch is timing. Turning this prototype into a stable 24/7 production tool is a multi-year engineering nightmare. But the message is clear. Blocking ASML shipments demand the race. It may just push China to build its own starting gun.